And now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa.
Good morning and thanks for joining us. It's quiet and warmer out there this morning. It's 37 degrees on southerly winds at 14 miles per hour. The southerly winds and some cloud cover are keeping us about 10 to 20 degrees warmer than yesterday. Not quite as bitter. It's 36 degrees in Branson, 40 in Rolla, and 39 in Fort Leonard Wood. Winds are out of the south at 5 to 15 miles per hour, and they pick up today. We've got low pressure to the west, high pressure to the east, and when you get that big difference in pressure over a small area, you get winds to funnel and really increase. So it'll be breezy today with gusts to 30 miles per hour. But because the winds are out of the south, temperatures stay warm, 54 degrees with a couple of clouds today. We're looking at temperatures in the 30s overnight tonight, and then temperatures in the lower 50s tomorrow with a mix of sun and clouds, keeping on this mild for December trend. Cold returns on Saturday. Temperatures go into the 40s. We're looking at highs in the 30s Sunday and Monday, which is important because we're going to have that storm that we've been talking about brewing to the west on Saturday, getting here for Sunday and Monday with access to that cold air. So it looks like we've got the potential for some wintry stuff out of this, where we could be looking at rain transitioning to a mix, transitioning to snow from Sunday through Monday for part of the area. And this could be split during the day, where we could have maybe a warmer precipitation type during the day and some colder precipitation types at night. And it could also be split by area. So what we're looking at for now is maybe mostly rain to the south in Arkansas, maybe a little bit more of a mix with some colder temperatures feeding in from the top and warmer temperatures feeding in from the bottom in southern Missouri to up to Springfield, and then maybe cold enough for mostly snow up in central Missouri as we head through Sunday and Monday. Now this line here, this split of the precipitation type is very sensitive and very fragile to temperatures, and that's why it's hard to pin down type and totals this far out. This is how we forecast precipitation type. It matters what the temperature is at the surface. Is it at freezing? And it matters what the temperature is in the middle of the air, because we get that precipitation to melt, freeze, and refreeze, and that's how we get freezing rain, sleet, and if it's cold enough in the whole column, that's how we get snow. So again, when you're dealing with a forecast that has all of these things, it gets pretty complicated, especially as this temperature profile is also changing during the day and changing at night. So what we know right now is that we've got a light rain or a mix developing on Sunday, maybe a mix to snow overnight as it gets cold, and we could stay as a mix to snow on Monday, but parts of the area could see mostly rain. Sunny and cold on Tuesday, the whole thing exits. Small differences in temperature and track mean big differences in precipitation type and totals. That's why it's too early to get too specific, and we need to stay tuned to the latest forecast. 54 degrees today, mostly sunny, mild and breezy. Southerly gusts are 30 miles per hour. 33 degrees overnight, mostly cloudy, cold, and quiet. Mild again tomorrow with a couple of clouds and southerly winds. We're looking at that colder air coming in on Saturday, but still dry. We'll start to have some of that rain to mix develop. It looks like earlier Sunday afternoon now. It lasts through Monday and then exits on Tuesday.
All right. We've also